Hey YouTube, it's Lewis with Rosebuds Travels. Today I want to talk to you about the closet shelf system we're working on that goes in the Casita closets. We made one a while back for our 2019 Casita, and it worked out very well. And we now have a lot of people interested in the Casita closet system. Um, we currently have made up a kit that we're going to install in another Casita. Frank and Deb have a 2019 Casita, and we're going to install a kit in that Casita next week. We're going to install it in a Army Corps of Engineers park in Texarkana, Texas. We have to go to Texarkana for some other business, and we decided to camp in a Army Corps of Engineers park. And we're going to try to install this kit in that park. So wish us luck with that. We're going to have limited tools, and hopefully the Frank and Deb's Casita is similar enough to our 2019 Casita that we will be able to install the shelf kit without any problems. So wish us luck with that. So I'll show you our shelf kit installed in our Casita, and then I want to show you the Katie has drawn up all of the shelves in a CAD program, and then we were able to print those in their full size. You print them out full size, you cut them out, and then they are a good pattern for templates. And that's what we did. Right now the way we're making these kits is we have a template that we can follow and route out the finished shelves with a router, and it follows the template. And so I'll show you the pictures of the CAD printouts glued down to our template material, and we've now got all of the shelves cut and the bases cut, and they're ready to go to be installed in Frank and Deb's Casita. So with that, let me show you our closet, and then and we'll also later I'm going to try to videotape putting in the kit in Frank and Deb's Casita in Texarkana. The other thing that I need to see is a slightly older Casita, because apparently the closets were a little bit bigger. So I need to see one of those and see how much bigger it is and what the shape is and all of that, to see if it's something I can adapt the shelf kit that I've got with it. So, and another thing is we're meeting another couple at the park in Texarkana because they wanted to buy one of the hardware pulls that we use on our pantry door above the refrigerator. We have a pull, and I'll show you that. But and so we're meeting. They're also going to be there, and so we're going to have kind of a small group of casitas at the Army Corps of Engineers Park. If you have one of the older casitas and you're anywhere near around Texarkana, contact me and we'll see about if we can meet up to be able to see the your casita and maybe get measurements on it. So with that, let me show you our closet. We're also meeting another couple at the park in Texarkana. Teresa contacted me about ordering one of these pulls, and because they live fairly close to the Texarkana park, they're going to meet us at the park, and I'll just give them the pull for their Casita. It's a brand new 2021, and we have liked this because it's low profile, looks good, and holds the towels but stays confined. And it goes with the decor of the Casita. So we have enjoyed this pull. It's a Jeffrey Alexander pull. And if you want one, I can certainly get you one. But yeah, so Teresa and her husband are going to the campground and will meet us there. And we'll be glad to meet them. We're going to have a nice time. And so there'll be a few casitas there at the same park. I'll show you the shelving system that we have. And this is the one we installed in our unit. It is basically a base unit and 5 shelves. And we store our clothes in bags, zippered bags that hold our clothes. And at the bottom, we put in a shoe compartment where any shoes that we take off, instead of going on the floor by the door, they go in the compartment and they're out of the way. We decided to do it that way. Frank is doing a lift up door. It's going to be kind of a hidden, or not a hidden, but a lift up door where he can put stuff that's seldom used underneath. So it's like an open trap door thing. And he's just doing that a little bit differently. So you can approach that in different ways. But this works really well. You can still have hanging space in here because Katie designed this way. So what we wanted is to have space to do hanging, but also have storage space. And then having these shelves with the space at the back is really useful. You can store all kinds of things. So works out really good. And this shelving unit, the base and all 5 shelves, is only 26 pounds. So it really doesn't add much weight to the unit. And all the wood is pre-finished, so it's nice, and you don't have to finish it, so it works out really, really well. So that's what I wanted to show you, give you the update. We have made the kit. It's ready to go. Today is Saturday. And we're going to be leaving Tuesday, but then we're going to go to the Corps of Engineers Park in Texarkana and install the shelf kit for Frank and Deb. So with that, we'll see you in the next video.